Introduction to Password Protecting Archives.
Protecting sensitive files during sharing is essential. WinRAR is a widely used program that allows you to create encrypted, password-protected archives. This helps safeguard your data from unauthorized access. In this guide, you'll learn how to use WinRAR to securely compress and lock your files, providing an extra layer of privacy and peace of mind.
Launching WinRAR and selecting files.
Start by opening WinRAR on your computer. Navigate to the folder containing the files or folders you want to protect. Select the desired items by highlighting them. Right-click on the selection and from the context menu, choose Add to Archive. This opens the Archive Creation dialog where you can configure your compression and security settings.
Accessing password options.
In the Archive Creation window, look for the Set Password button, usually found in the lower right area. Clicking this will bring up a new dialog box. Here, you'll be able to enter the password that will protect your archive, ensuring that only those with the correct password can access its contents.
Choosing and setting a strong password.
Enter your chosen password in the provided field. For added security, check the box labeled Encrypt File Names, which hides the list of files until the correct password is entered. Make sure your password is strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click OK to confirm your settings, then proceed to create the archive.
Saving and using your secure archive.
After setting your password, select your preferred archive format, such as RAR or zip, and choose where to save the archive file. Click OK to let WinRAR finish creating your password-protected archive. To access the contents in the future, simply double-click the archive and enter the password when prompted. Your files are now securely protected.